Hi everyone, here we are at the Dollar Tree. We're in a different location and I want to see their St. Patty's Day decor. So let's check it out. Okay, so here we have the scarves. So they have this style here and that one. You have this one.
Thank you very much for the receipt.
Okay, here's some socks. Look at this. That's really pretty. And that one. And that one. Okay, so here we have the light up necklaces. Okay. Alright, so here's the bow ties. And then you have some foam scatter. These are the hats. Aren't these cute? Okay, these are the foam scatter. These are the coins. And then these are the necklaces. So you have some headbands and some novelty glasses. And some more hats along the bottom. Okay, so here we have the banner. This is what that looks like. And then here are the pots, the cauldrons. So you get 5 in the pack here, and then along the top over here you have the hats, the tinsel hats. And you have them along the bottom here. Isn't that pretty? So you're loaded up with those. Then you have these hanging decor pieces, and then you have some of the wood. So we have the 3-leaf clover. This is 3D with the heart, and here's the cauldron. I love crafting with these. Here's the clover. This one here says lucky. Then you have this one. And you have some window clings. So you have that one. That one. Oh wait, I thought I saw a different one. You have that one. And that one. Okay, so you have this. Okay, this is a wall hanging. I had it upside down. Okay, so that's what that looks like. Okay. Alright, so then you have these. Aren't they pretty? And you have the tinsel one. And here they go. I'm wrestling with it, and there it is. And you have some more. Now here are these. This Dollar Tree has the towels to match. The balloon holders, and here is the shamrock crown. And here's the garland, and here's the tinsel garland. Some more socks. These socks are so nice. They're so soft. So you have that kind, this kind, that one, that one, this one, and this one. Okay, so it looks like that's it for St. Patty's Day. Guys, I hope you're having an awesome day. Oh look, they have the LED lights, the string lights. I didn't even see this. Okay, with the clover leaf. These pics.